Hi there, in this video I'll give you an overview of the ClickFunnels navigation dashboard. Just like any other software that you get or learn, do not be overwhelmed. Just relax, and if you chunk it down section by section, it'll be much easier to digest. Now before we begin, allow me to introduce you to the plan that I'm on. I'm on the startup plan, which is $97 US a month, after a 14-day trial, and it has its own limitations, which is 20,000 visits, 100 pages, and 20 funnels. Now let's first check on the navigation on top. Over here we have ClickFunnels, whereby when you click it, it will bring you back to the main page. You have funnels, actionetics, backpack, account, and help. Your main navigation button that you would normally press is funnels, and under funnels you can browse the funnels that you have, browse the contacts, and sales, and also you can add new funnels. If you have upgraded to the next plan, which is $297 US a month, you'll be able to access Actionetics and Backpack. In this video, we're only covering the startup plan, which is the basic starter plan. Over here, you have the search bar where you can search for your funnels, and it's all categorized in sales, opt-in, webinar, membership, auto webinar, webinar reply, and product launch. You can type in anything over here, and let's say demo, and you can check it out. The button over here is Add New Funnel. You can start creating your funnels by clicking on this button. In the section below, you have three tabs. One is Show All Funnels, Archive, and Marketplace. Show All Funnels are the funnels that you have created that is added here. And as you can see, all the funnels are under Legacy, and this is the pre-built funnels that are already loaded in the ClickFunnels when you first join. In the funnels, you can see the last update and also how many steps there are in this funnel. So for example, in Best-Selling Book Funnel has 3 steps, and you can also click to edit and customize it. Under the Archive tab, if you click on it, are all the funnels that you have created but are not using anymore. So what happens is that when you delete a funnel, it becomes archived and it doesn't really get deleted. It just gets archived. At any point of time, you can always click on Restore, and then you can read it again. And in the next tab, Marketplace, are funnels that are purchased in the Marketplace, and if there are any funnels that are purchased in the Marketplace, it'll show up here. Now going further down this section, you can also watch the advanced training of funnel hacks by watching the webinar, and if you have purchased the advanced funnel training, the access will be available here. Now everything else below here is the ClickFunnels social media links. Normally it wouldn't really focus on it except for the ClickFunnels blog, where if there is any research or updates on things that I want to read, then I'll click on it. Further down below are the ClickFunnels social media icons and social media links. This icon over here is the help icon, and if you click on it, you can always use it to engage with anyone from ClickFunnels if you face any problems. And there you have it, an overview of all the essentials of everything you need to know about the ClickFunnels navigation dashboard.